Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sort files automatically on a Windows PC in 2026. So if your desktop or folders are always messy and you want everything organized without doing it manually, yeah, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open any folder and use the built-in sort options. You can sort files by name, date, type, or size. Next, organize your desktop using folder grouping. So create separate folders like Work, Personal, Videos, and Downloads. Now turn on Storage Sense in Windows. This feature automatically deletes temporary files and helps manage storage over time. So yeah, use File Explorer search filters to automatically find and sort files by type or date. This helps you quickly organize large folders. Next, you can use third-party file organization tools. These apps can automatically move files into folders based on rules like file type or date. Finally, set a habit or tool that automatically sorts your downloads folder into categories like documents, videos, and software installers. And that's how to sort files automatically on a Windows PC in 2026. Once you set up sorting rules, folders, and cleanup tools, your system will stay organized without manual effort. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Windows productivity tutorials. Hey everyone!